seen.
Thank you.
We're gonna show it to you. When I say it's hot, I mean I like it. Not just you see videos all the time, and you be like, man, it look like a real video.
Or it could be a bootleg video.
And it was like your video had a storyline to it. It matched. It had B-roll. It had a lot of elements that if I was watching it, I'd be like, okay, I can see this song.
And big shout out to Champ. He shot the video. He pretty much directed everything. Shout out to my two dancers as well, Gladys and Ashley. They did an awesome job on the video. It's definitely, like I said, back to the whole team effort thing. Champ did an awesome job. It was just one day I was just like, you know what? I texted him one day and I was like, Champ, it's my turn. I'm gonna shoot my video. It's my turn. We worked a lot with other artists' videos, and I'm like, again, when you get to a certain point, you start to realize that you need to step it up a little. So I decided to just, put it right in and see how the crowd reacted. It is a very sexual song.
Sexual?
It's very sexual, very explicit. But when I say explicit, there's no profanity, nothing like that. So that's something I'm trying to keep clean.
It's sensual.
It's sensual. There you go. Yeah. But very, very. It's kind of. I didn't want to come out as a sex icon, which is something I wasn't intentionally trying to do. I do have another song called Boss, and I was debating, should I come out as a boss or should we come out as,